12:30.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so we can get started now. Okay, so hi everyone. Welcome to today's Yugabyte Friday Tech Talk. This is, I think, the 145th episode. It's for engineers by engineers. My name is Jim Nicely. I'm a distinguished engineer at Yugabyte. I've been here about 3 years, and today we're going to be our presenter is going to be Nadeem Khan. He's a solutions architect from Yugabyte. Used to be an Oracle database administrator. Kind of like me, I spent a long time as an Oracle database administrator too. So it's going to be great to hear him talk today. It's going to be talking about data replication from Oracle to Yugabyte using GoldenGate. So with that, go ahead, Nadine, get started.
Hey, thank you. Thanks, Jim. So yeah, uh, extremely excited to present today's session. So like Jim mentioned that yeah, I've been working on Oracle database, and yeah, at Yugabyte when I joined, so I was just wanted to see all those like different integration with Yugabyte which is possible. And here we have come up with GoldenGate. So yes, we can use GoldenGate to replicate data from Oracle or any other database to YugabyteDB. And yeah, this is our today's session. So thank you, everyone for joining in this session. Okay, let me quickly go through with the agenda. So we'll talk about why Golden Gate for Yugabyte DB. Yeah, definitely, this is one interesting thing. And then the integration, how we can integrate your Golden Gate with Yugabyte DB. So that also we'll see. Subsequently, we'll see high-level steps to configure Golden Gate for Yugabyte DB. And then I will present a demo where we will replicate data from Oracle DB to Yugabyte DB, where we will perform initial load, and we will also set the transactional replication also. So we can see the real-time data, real-time data replication. And yeah, at last, in the end, we have some time for the question answer. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, Golden Gate for Yugabyte DB. So yeah, there are questions like, yes, Yugabyte DB is 100% open source, and there are um, multiple open source CDC tools or other tools are available, um, um, where we can use to replicate data from Yugabyte DB to any other target, or from any other target to Yugabyte DB. So yes, so those tools are there. Yugabyte native capabilities are also there, where Yugabyte Voyager and other tools are present for the live and online migrations. So from Oracle or like Postgres, you can perform online migration using Yugabyte Voyager. So Golden Gate, with its distinguished and extensive capability, which comes with comprehensive software package, liked by many enterprises. And enterprises who are already using Golden Gate, they want to use and they want to see whether we can use Golden Gate with Yugabyte DB. So yes, here there is an answer, because our Yugabyte DB, which is a Postgres compatible database, which has a YSQL layer, which is 100%, which is Postgres compatible. And because of that, the similar way you can connect your Golden Gate to Yugabyte DB, just like you are connecting to your Postgres database. So yeah, while you are connecting to Yugabyte DB, it gives you all those, you can leverage your Golden Gate for all exceptional features and capabilities of Golden Gate to perform seamless database migration to Yugabyte DB, where it can help you to capture changes in real time from Oracle or other supported databases, and then deliver to Yugabyte DB with minimal lag. And then of course, you can use this setup to enable a zero downtime migration by keeping your source database, with minimum downtime, by keeping your source database live during the time. So yeah, this is very highly effective for the enterprises who are thinking, who wants to migrate their database to Yugabyte DB while they want to keep their source system live. So this is the one point, and the second one which I would like to discuss about, like the real time replication capability of Golden Gate tool, which is not limited to one particular platform or architecture. Yeah, it supports hybrid architecture. So your database can be placed on premise or cloud. um, yeah, you can use Golden Gate, and the similar way it can help you uh, to replicate the changes, to perform the zero downtime migration, and yeah and at the same time, the heterogeneous database portfolio Golden Gate has currently, because with these, not only to certain limited database, but yeah, it has the long list of supported databases. So when you see the Golden Gate certification matrix, you will come to know that this many databases are already supported for the capture and replicate purpose. So yeah, these are the two things. Yes, Golden Gate for YugabyteDB makes sense for the enterprise customers who are already using Golden Gate, and they can leverage their Golden Gate um, for real-time replication and zero downtime migration.
So Nadeem, just out of curiosity, like so Yugabyte supports also Cassandra. Does this work with our YSQL layer, or is this mainly just the Postgres side for the
Yeah,
Golden Gate?
Jim, interesting. Yeah. So I am also curious and excited to check on Cassandra layer, because Golden Gate has some different versions. So variety of Golden Gate, variations available. So in terms of this is we are using Golden Gate for Postgres for Yugabyte DB. So Golden Gate for big data is also available, who had some capabilities as far as I remember for
Oh,
Cassandra also. Yeah, for the extraction. But yeah, that we need to check with the version and the supported metrics, because Golden Gate has also evolved and come up with new microservice architecture. So yeah, lot many capabilities, but yeah, with Cassandra also
cool.
we need to explore it.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move to next slide, next topic, where we want to, I want to just present you how it works with Yugabyte DB. So as people, means folks who have already used Golden Gate or working on Golden Gate, may aware that Golden Gate comes with different topology, different deployment model. So it is just one working model which we have tested. I personally tested, and yeah, at Yugabyte DB side, our tech team has been testing multiple different scenarios with Yugabyte DB. But this is the one which I have tested, and here we have kept it very simple. I have deployed Golden Gate for. So this is the one scenario where we have replicated data from Oracle DB to Yugabyte DB. So here I have installed Oracle Golden Gate for Oracle database at one machine, on the same machine, and for the Yugabyte, I have installed Golden Gate for PostgreSQL. So these are the two different variant of Golden Gate. Once I've installed this Golden Gate for Oracle database, I configured all the Golden Gate related processes. So manager, extract, data pump, these are all are the different process of Golden Gate. So manager is for is the one control all other processes, is the main coordinator in the Golden Gate. Extract just to change, just to capture the changed data. Data pump to push the data from source to target site. At target site Golden Gate, we have um, configured manager process again, and the replicate process. So replicate process is to deliver the changes, which is pumping from data pump to target site to the Yugabyte DB. One main and significant things to remember here, like to connecting this Golden Gate to Yugabyte DB, we need to use ODBC driver. Yeah, so in general, means natively Yugabyte DB, whenever you are connecting through JDBC driver or Yugabyte DB smart drivers. But here, if you are connecting through Golden Gate, you need to go with specific ODBC driver, because Golden Gate supports Postgres connectivity through ODBC driver only. So that is the one limitation. So we need to go with ODBC driver. Okay. Um, yeah. So yeah, so this is the one of the deployment model which I mentioned, like I have tested. Yeah, there could be other deployment model where people do not want to install GoldenGate on the same machine. They can put GoldenGate on some remote machine, and from there remote capture and remote delivery is also possible. So yeah, it varies with the GoldenGate versions and GoldenGate architecture. So like I remember with the latest GoldenGate, which is coming with microservice architecture, the mostly the remote capture and remote deliver is the case which you can leverage with the latest version of GoldenGate.
Nadeem, does that Oracle, the ODBC client, does it come from the Oracle's website or from Postgres website? Like, out of curiosity, like where would they
Yeah, so
send?
I've downloaded. Yeah, I've downloaded from Oracle website. You can download
Oh,
it from yes. Yeah,
both.
so
Okay.
we need easy ODBC driver also. That also we need to download, and Unix ODBC driver. So I will
Oh, gotcha.
uh, yeah, which all drivers we needed.
Okay.
All right. So let's move to how to set up GoldenGate for YugabyteDB. Okay, so here I have mentioned all the list of packages which is required while we are setting up GoldenGate for YugabyteDB. So of course, Oracle client, Unix ODBC, Postgres ODBC driver, and some other lib files, lib packages are required. Um, um, yeah, so here, Jim, like we need to have this three three packages installed on the server
Gotcha.
uh, where the GoldenGate is running. And yeah, the once these packages are installed, then we can configure ODBC driver for YugabyteDB. So here is one snap I have taken from my setup where we have just set the connection for my YugabyteDB. So you can give the DSN data source name entries and the name of the data source name, and in that you can pass your driver information. So this driver, actually the driver of which comes with your GoldenGate software. So here I have passed the same driver which has come with my GoldenGate software. This is GoldenGate PostgreSQL driver for the Postgres connectivity. And then yeah, here we can pass the database information and credentials. So this is how we can set up the ODBC config file. So once this ODBC config file is done, then yeah, we need to. So this is the prerequisites. This is to be prepared and configured before we install GoldenGate for Postgres. So then we can install GoldenGate for Postgres, and then one more thing we need to do, because in the Postgres or Yugabyte environment, we want to keep it um, uh, 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 secured. So the whoever you want to give access, or whoever you want to which database you want to give, you want to give access to GoldenGate to extract data, you need to perform that. You need to mention that database name and credential here it in YSQL HBA conf CSV file. So yeah, and then the modify G flag to screenshot to 56 if it is a FIPS enabled system, which is after Postgres 14. So in our case, we are not using, I'm using the older version, so I've kept MD5. And yes, then later we need to prepare the YugabyteDB for capture and replicate. So to prepare the YugabyteDB, we need to create a specific user for the GoldenGate, and we need to give all the permissions to perform the extract and replicate to that particular user to YugabyteDB. So these are the permissions I have given. And so this is I'm talking about the target site at YugabyteDB. So what you need to perform. Okay, yeah, heartbeat and checkpoint table privileges also we need to give. So this will track all the records, all the DML operations. So this is also one of the required um, um, steps which we need to follow. And then yeah, um, there is no specific such parameters because the wall logs and other replication parameters are already enabled when it comes to YugabyteDB. So specifically when you are coming from Oracle, where the read committed isolation is true, so you need to if it is not true, then you can make it true. And the log statement is also you can make it DDL and as per the requirement. So that can help you when it comes to debugging. Okay, so um, high level steps to configure GoldenGate process for YugabyteDB. So first we need to configure the manager process at the source side, and then we need to generate the definition generation file for all the sources table which we want to migrate, which we want to load or replicate to target site. Because this definition generation file is required because these are two heterogeneous databases with two different data types. So you may have similar structure of your table and your schema, but the column data types and the stats may differ. So this devgen file will help your replicate process to know that this is the different schema. And and, and yeah, that will help replica to replicate to deliver the data to target site. So yeah, configure the extract. So when it comes to capturing the changes from the YugabyteDB, you need to configure the extract and add checkpoint table to deliver the target site, and then configure replicate process. Yeah, so this is the way you can generate the definition file. You need to provide the parameter file where you can pass all your table entries, and looking of that at those table entries, it will generate the definition. Okay, so these are the high level steps for GoldenGate for the source Oracle DB. So here in this session, we want to give you the demo how you can replicate data from Oracle to Yugabyte DB using with GoldenGate. So what are the high level steps I have performed at my source site? So this is I have mentioned here, where I have created GoldenGate user. So I am using 19C container database. So where I have created a common user for my container with all the required privileges. Then I have set the required parameters at source Oracle database, create the dev generation file, create the credential store at GoldenGate, which is a secured way to connecting to GoldenGate, log into source DB, which is my PDB inside that container database, and then start the manager process. Then I perform the initial load, capture the SCN before performing the initial load, so I can start my replication from that SCN only. SCN is nothing but the system change number, and create data pump extract for the real-time replication, and then running the initial load, and then real-time extract process. So these are the high-level steps I have just listed down just to give you the summary what I have done at source side.
So, quick question there for number 10. Like, I'm sure people are wondering, like, when it's doing the real time replication, is it like transactional as like if you have a parent-child kind of table relationship, there's not a chance that you'll get like records out of order or anything like that? Does it maintain transactionality? Put it that way. I'm pretty sure it does, but
Yeah. So transactional. So the way the sequence, sequence of transactions will remain the same. So if it is, if you are entering in the child first, then it will be applied at child first at target side.
Got Okay, cool.
Okay, let me quickly go to the demo. Uh, okay.
I think we're good on time. We got
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
like 9
yeah.
more minutes.
Yeah. Okay, so here the left side you can see the Oracle screen. Uh, Here I can show you. This is my yeah GGPDB user, and here I can show. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables, and if I show you the count,
Are you
uh,
sharing, Nadeem?
yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Is it? Are you able to see?
I can see it now. Okay. Here, it just came up. Yep.
All right.
Okay.
So left hand side, yeah. So this is my Oracle screen, Oracle database. So there I have 7 tables, and I've just shown that the record counts in the 7 tables. All right, and this is my right hand side. This is my YugabyteDB. So in the YugabyteDB, if I show you the tables, yeah, so I have the 7 tables. So in the interest of time, I have already created the same tables in the YugabyteDB also. And if I show you the count, oh sorry, yeah. So these all tables are empty at YugabyteDB side.
Cool.
So as I
I like
mentioned, that,
I
yeah,
like the way I like the way you're doing that. You're getting counts. You have a file, I guess, with a SQL file with count to select counts from the tables in that count file. That's good. That's cool.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's a big query. So
Yeah.
that is
Nice.
so yeah. So I've just in the
Yeah.
interest
Shortcut.
of time, I have just prepared.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah. So yeah, let me come here, and we need to quickly generate the devgen file. So we can generate the devgen file. So I am at already in the so this is my GoldenGate home location where my GoldenGate software is located. Here I can come and I can generate the devgen file. So before generating devgen file, let me show you. Uh, Okay, so this is my dev generation parameter file where I have mentioned all those 7 tables, and this will create the definition file. So, oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is generating my definition file. So it has generated my definition file. You can see the definition file is generated under di param, and the definition file name is definition 7 tables dev. So I need to transfer this definition file to target site. Uh, yeah, once it is there at target site. So this is my Oracle. Let me come to target site, and here I need to. Okay, let me. So here only I can go. I can come to cd $gg home, and this is my home, and inside here dir def, yeah, and this is my definition file. Okay, cool. So we have definition file available. Now I can log into ggsci at target site and ggsci at source site. So this is my source database, Oracle database. and at Oracle database, I can log into my Oracle database from GoldenGate console. Okay, so I have logged into ORCL PDB1, the same database which we I have shown here, and then uh, yeah, and then here if I show you, I have one manager file. If I show you the manager, so this manager file has just a port address. So here the port address is 7809. If I come here and log in to YugabyteDB, okay, and if I show you the manager file here, so here the port is 7811. So the target side, the port is 7811. Source side, the port is 7809. Now I need to start the manager. First, I will start at the source side. Okay, so manager is started. Yeah, cool. Manager is running. Then I need to set up the initial load file. So for the initial load process, I have created these export initial load 7 tables. So you see, this is the export process where I have defined the remote host, the manager port of the remote host, and all the 7 tables. So this I have created here. Let me add this to sources table. Okay, extract added. Let me show you the another extract file. So this is the file for the replication. One, that file is for the initial load, so we'll perform the initial load to replicate the data, and this is for the change data capture. And let me add this to GoldenGate integrated, and let me also set the remote trail of this. Okay, so remote trail is also added. I can show you here. So yeah, that ext7 tab is added and it is stopped. It is yet not running. Let me register this to my, this is CDP dollar root. So I need to register it. I need to log into uh, my container. So let me register to ORCL PDB1. So I'm just registering this ext7 tab to my database. Yeah, the process is registered successfully. And yeah, before running that, I need to capture the uh, snapshot. So SQL pass at DB name, select current SCN from v dollar database. Yeah, this is my SCN. So once, okay, so I can start the, so these all processes are independent to each other. We can start these processes. Okay, so I have started expil 7 tab. I need to start ext7 tab. Yeah, both the processes are started. Okay, so this ext7 tab is running. I will come to my target site. A target site, I need to start my manager. Manager is running. Then I need to show you the replica initial load file. So this is my replica initial load file where I have defined all my 7 tables here with other parameters. I will add the checkpoint table. Okay, I will add the replica. Okay, and then I will show you the replica file. So this is my replication process. This is for the continuous replication. the before one I showed, it is for initial load, and this is for continuous replication. So this is for continuous replication. We come here. So yeah, these two files are stopped. This one is only running. So yeah, here we have already started. So if I come here, if I show you the count, yeah, it is still 0. I need to run the replica. So this is start replication. Okay, so this has started. Yeah, this is running. Let me come here. Oh, cool. See, so all the records have moved to YugabyteDB. So the initial load is being performed. So you can see the tables and counts here. The similar count you can see here now at YugabyteDB. So similar way, now I need to perform the continuous replication. So once it is performed, then I need to, yeah, after SCN,
I think we're at the top
and
of the
here I need to pass the same CSN, yeah, which I have copied from here. Yeah. Okay. So I've started my replication also. If I show you, yeah, it is running. So here, if I show you one of the table, like quickly, I will show you the smallest table, like reasons. Yeah, here 4 records are present, and at YugabyteDB site, if I show you reasons, yeah, 4 records are present. Let me add a record quickly at target site. Insert into reasons, values, 5, comma, Australia, the 5th reason. Okay. Reasons, sorry, the typo. Reasons, values. Okay. Is that my record added here? No, it is not added. So I need to commit here. So it will reflect only the committed changes. So
recommitted.
yeah, so now, yeah. So if I come here, I have to show, yeah, Australia is present. So yeah, so the
Awesome.
change data capture and replication is also set up. So this is the way you can quickly and easily set up a replication between source Oracle database to YugabyteDB. So this is the one case which we have tested with Oracle database. Yes, same we can perform with all the supported other database where GoldenGate supports captures and replicate. So yeah,
Awesome.
this is how we can do it.
Cool. Thanks, Nadeem. Great demo. Thanks everyone for attending. I think we're at the top of the hour. If you have any further questions,
So this is one of really cool thing, Jim, for all those enterprises who want to leverage the GoldenGate, capabilities. And yes, we are very well supported with GoldenGate database. Hey, am I audible to everyone? Braun?
Okay, looks like we lost Jim. He may have
Okay,
had
I think we are good to close this session.
Sorry about
I think we lost.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
Braun,
right.
I think some connectivity too. Yeah, Jim lost connectivity. So we are done with the session, Braun. If any
Okay.
questions, yeah, if any questions are there, yeah, I'm happy to answer.
Yeah, we are at time, but I don't see any more questions. So thank you, Nadeem.
Yeah, thank you. My pleasure. Thanks. Thank you, everyone.